My name is John, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Been doing construction for about 15 years. Working with my hands, I can see what I've done. I can see what I've accomplished. It's something tangible, it's physical, it's right there. Typical day, I wake up at 4 a.m. There's a lot of physical and mental wear and tear on you. We go that extra mile, not cutting corners, not shorting somebody on something, doing the job right. We're installing primarily fiberglass windows. They hold up better than anything else. They've taken the best things that have been determined over the years and applied those. That's a big part of what OSI products do. Anybody that works in this industry knows that they're a cut above, something that's made to last.